This is second grade Go Math lesson 2.11, and today we're working on comparing numbers or problem solving. So it directs to say to model the numbers, draw quick pictures to show how you solve the problem. Now, on the first problem it says Lauren has 128 marbles. Kristen has 118 marbles. Who has more? Now, it's asks you to model the numbers by drawing quick pictures. So what we're going to do, we're going to show Lauren. Sorry for the focus issues here. Lauren has 128. If we draw below that, the other person is Kristen. Actually, I'll draw below that. Kristen. Sorry about the focus. And Kristen has 118. So I'm going to draw 100, 110, and 8 ones. Now, it's important to remember what the question was asking. It says, who has more marbles? So I'm looking, they both have the same amount of ones, they both have 8, but Lauren has 2 10s and Kristen has 1. Now don't stop there, you need to look at the hundreds, because the hundreds show you really who has more, who might have more, but we see they both have the same amount of hundreds. So we're going to go by the 10s, and Lauren has more 10s than Kristen. So we're going to write Lauren. So it just says who has more marbles, or you just write her name. Remember how to spell her name. And that is it. For the next question, you're going to do the same thing, but you're going to try to find out who has fewer cards. So it says Nick has 189 trading cards. Kyle has 198 trading cards. Who has fewer trading cards? So you would want to do the same thing as you did before. Nick, and he has 189 cards. Kyle has 198. 70, 80, 90, and 8 ones. Now, as I was saying before, the number that the place value that usually could tell you right off the bat which one has fewer or more if you start with the larger one. So do it a little bit differently. We're going to look at the larger one, which is what we should have did on the first one first. The largest place values, which is 100. They both have the same hundreds, so they're equal in that regard. If I look here, Nick has 8 10s, Kyle has 9. And it doesn't matter that Nick has more ones because 10s are larger than 1s. So Kyle has more than Nick. But the question asks who has fewer. And if I look who has fewer cards, that would be Nick. So while Kyle has more, the question is asking who's fewer, so it's important to read the question. So we're going to go ahead and write Nick has fewer. And there you go.